hardware powering this system. We have integrated several key components. This one is OLED display, soil moisture sensor, rain sensor, water level sensor, water pump, relay, DHT22, servo motor. The true magic of this system happens when hardware meets software. We have connected this entire setup to Wi-Fi, syncing all live data directly to the BLYNK mobile app. When our onboard rain sensor detects rainfall, it instantly updates the rain status to raining. Instead of keeping the roof closed, our code triggers a smart sustainability loop. The system status shifts to harvesting rain, and the motorized roof automatically switches to open. And also we have override button control manually and automatically. This allows natural, nutrient-rich rainwater to fall directly into our storage unit, drastically cutting down on freshwater consumption. BLYNK immediately pushes a real-time notification to the user's smartphone. Water tank is full, currently at 88%. Roof closing. Simultaneously, the microcontroller triggers the motor to close the roof, protecting the system from overflooding without requiring the user to manually turn off a thing. If the water levels deplete all the way down to 0%, the system shifts into refill mode and cuts off the regular pump cycle. Instantly, an emergency pop-up alert hits the user's phone. Water tank is low, currently at 0%. Please refill. This ensures the grower can intervene immediately before the crops suffer any damage. First, the OLED screen powers up and displays connecting to Wi-Fi. This gives us immediate visual confirmation that the hardware is actively searching for our local network. Once connected, the screen displays start to signal it is online with BLYNK, and then immediately begins cycling through our live sensor data, showing real-time soil moisture, water levels, and temperature right on the physical farm. As you can see, when the water tank level drops to 0%, the system immediately switches to refill mode and pushes a high-priority alert straight to our phones. Water tank is low. Please refill. But here is the smart part. The moment this low water condition is met, the system automatically opens the roof. To save resources, the water pump only turns on when the plants actually need it. The automation triggers if soil moisture falls below 80%, provided the tank has more than 10% water and it isn't raining outside. Currently, the farm is set to manual control. Let's switch it over to auto mode now to see how the sensors dynamically drive the outputs. With the automation active, the digital output pin triggers the relay, turning the water pump on. We can visually verify the hydraulic flow entering the hydroponic plant container. Our firmware uses a closed-loop control algorithm. It continuously reads the analog signals from the soil moisture sensor. As soon as the moisture threshold exceeds 80%, the conditional loop is satisfied, and the microcontroller switches the pump off. This prevents saturation of the growing medium and safeguards the root system from root rot. Our weather automation handles rain beautifully. When rain is detected, the pump turns off to save energy, and the roof opens to actively harvest rainwater. As soon as the rain stops and the sensor clears, the system automatically closes the roof to protect the garden from the external environment. When the reservoir has an adequate water supply, the irrigation system operates within a specific moisture threshold to keep the soil perfectly balanced. The moment the soil moisture drops below 80%, the water pump automatically turns on to begin watering the plants. It will continue running until the moisture level climbs safely past 90%, at which point the microcontroller turns the pump off. This 80 to 90% window ensures our plants get thorough watering cycles without putting unnecessary wear and tear on the pump motor. In the event that the water tank level drops below our critical safety threshold of 10%, the system immediately flags an emergency. The BLYNK app will instantly send a push notification to our smartphones, alerting us to refill the water tank manually. Simultaneously, the system automatically opens the roof. This creates a physical opening, allowing us to easily pour water straight into the reservoir from above without any obstruction. In addition to all the automation loops, we still have total manual override capabilities. From anywhere in the world, we can completely control the hardware right from our smartphones using the BLYNK app. With just a quick tap on the screen, we can manually switch the water pump on or off, or smoothly change the roof status between open and close.